previous video, I showed you how we can create lists of behaviors from Promethion metabolic phenotyping recordings. Now I'm going to show you how we can create locomotion and time budgets from those lists. Here is an example of a behavior list. In this example, the animal at this particular time drank water for about 12 seconds, about 55 microliters. At this particular time, it spent 88 seconds in its habitat, where it weighed 25.63 grams. As I mentioned before, you can synchronize other information from the systems with each behavior. However, let's look at budgets. For example, here is an example of a time budget. You can tell exactly how much time this particular mouse was spending in each of the activities that the system, by default, can separate automatically. Eating food, for example, drinking water, running on the wheel, going into the habitat, going on long or short lunges. And this is a very informative way of looking at the behavior of the mouse, and the nice thing is it gives you a really nice objective numerical set of information. Let's look also at locomotion. You can do the same thing with ambulatory budgets, in this case without the wheel and including the wheel. About 87.5 meters without the wheel, just using the XY array to record the mouse around the cage, and then about 3.3 kilometers with the wheel. And again, a nice objective numerical array. The thing about the nice objective arrays is that you have any number of ways that you can actually analyze these. Just to give you one example, time budgets can be analyzed using hierarchical object clustering to show similar or dissimilar groups. In this particular case, for a time budget analysis of 16 mice, here is the control group and here is the experimental group. So this is a very, very powerful objective tool for distinguishing between control and experimental groups. Thanks for listening.